What's going on, y'all? Be back with another video. So check this out. Manychat just dropped a brand new feature. Allows you to automatically DM them right after they follow you. Before, there wasn't really a metric like that was allowed by Meta, but now I guess they decided to let that go on now. So the reason why you're seeing this GoHighLevel ban is because I'm about to show you how you can pair the two together to get the maximum effort and the maximum results. I'm going to go through a quick tutorial on how to pull somebody from Manychat as a brand new follower and automatically follow up with them via email or still in the DMs. So if you like anything business, automation, GoHighLevel, Manychat, whatever that may be, whatever your cup of tea is, please go ahead and drop a follow. I'll greatly appreciate it. All right, so let's dive into it. So first, you're going to go to Manychat and go to automation and start a brand new one. This is either going to be in your home. This is going to be on your home screen as a template. As of right now, let's film this video. There is no native builder that allows you to create automations from scratch for this just yet. So once you click the edit button, then you're going to go dive here into the actual meats and potatoes of the conversation. You can tweak these elements here as well as this button. Now, if you look here, this button, yes, send it over, is just another message prompt. So once that message gets sent, then this follow-up is going to be sent, right? And this is a DM asking for their email. So again, once you get their email, then you can send them a lead magnet, a resource, link to your scheduling, link to your website, whatever that may be. You can make sure you get their email first before sending it. This is a good way to leave everybody on platform. Now, as you know me, I love taking people off of platform, off of social media into your own ecosystem. So you have a GoHighLevel account and you're using it. This is a great opportunity. If you're not using it, then you should be using it. All right. So now we're going to go to GoHighLevel to show you how you're going to use these two together. Now, first you need to go into the settings and you connect your Instagram account to your GoHighLevel account. What this is going to do is going to allow you to be able to use DMs as a form of conversation from inside the platform. I don't know if you know this, but if someone leaves you their contact information via DM, it's going to create a contact for them and GoHighLevel. So now you can do follow-ups, send texts, send emails, whatever your sales process is, you can use it there. So now we're in a workflow. I'm going to go ahead and start over from scratch so you can continue from start to finish. You can add new workflow trigger, hit customer reply channel. So when you need a filter, when you do customer reply channels, because if not, it's going to by default include all channels. That's not what you want. So if we go to filter, then we go to reply channel, then we select Instagram DM. We're going to add another filter. So make sure it contains phrase, and we're going to put the email at symbol. Now, so anytime someone DMs you on Instagram and they leave you this piece of information, this is going to trigger this workflow. Hope you see where I'm going with this. So if I do step one, I can add a tag, I can send an email, I can do whatever. I'm going to show you a quicker workflow where we can have this more fleshed out. All right, so somebody replies to that workflow as a new follower and they leave me their email. They're tagged as a new lead. They then get a welcome email. We wait 15 minutes and now we can send them another DM on Instagram, or we can send them more emails. So let's say I want to send them another email, but I want to wait a day. So that I can change this wait step to 1 day. And I can, of course, copy, boom, and I can change the email copy. So this 1-2 punch is a great combination for any and all types of businesses. So this is the test we ran in real time. I use one of my other default accounts. This is the email that's sent directly. Here's the email copy, everything here. So if you want to leverage this as a free resource, then you send it via email, then you should do that also. See the title, thank you for following. I sent over a few resources. And that is essentially how you're going to use Manychat in combination with GoHighLevel to continue the conversation and move somebody from interest to buyer. I want to thank you for your time here today. Feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.